Hello. In the last class, I had shown you how to use the M seal or mold it to make designs and stick it on the pot. And I had shown you another pot where we can paint it with different colors. Now, on this pot, I will show you how to give a metallic effect to the pot. I have given a metallic effect to these earrings which I had made with M seal. Metallic effect is given to this. Same way, this bottle, here also I have given a metallic effect. I first used blue color, ultramarine blue acrylic color for the base, and on that I have used the silver color on it. Here I have used black for the base for the earrings, and this is pearl metallic bronze. I've used bronze color on this. Now on this pot I'll give an earthen effect. So this is Indian red. This is Indian red color acrylic. So I'll use this for giving the base coat. So I'll take a big brush, I'll take the color and paint. See that all the nooks and corners are also painted. When we are giving the base coat, we have to give the base coat for the whole pot. Make sure that all these corners are painted. Here also it has some design, so paint it like this. If you paint like this, the color will not go in the grooves. So we need to paint it like this. Use a big brush for this because you don't have to do any details. So randomly you can just paint it. You can have big strokes like this to finish the painting faster. So like this, I'll paint the whole pot. You can paint the base also with the same color. Whenever we are doing metallic effect, it would be good if we use just one color for the whole pot. See the size of the pot and then decide what color you want to use. If the size of the the size of the pot is too big, then one bottle of color won't be enough. So in that case, you can mix two colors together and then you can start painting. Now the pot is painted in the base coat. Now for the metallic effect, I'm going to use silver color. So we need to take a dry brush. For doing the metallic effect, always use a dry brush. So just take the color on the tip, and you don't have to paint it properly. You just have to touch it on top, just to give the effect of the color. This is not dry yet. The base coat is not dry. You can still paint the metallic color on it, or else you can wait for a while till it dries, and with a dry brush just touch it like this. You don't have to paint it in from nooks and corners like we did for the base coat. See, I'm just brushing it on top. I'm not painting it properly. But see that there are no brush strokes like this. So even it out. So here on top also I'll give some effect. Black and golden is also a very good combination to give a metallic effect. Black and golden is always the safe option. It will never go wrong. So black base and golden color for the metallic finish also looks very good. Now look at this and look at this. There is a difference. It's still the same color, but you can see the metallic finishing in this. This one and this one. So the same way, I'm going to do the same metallic finishing here also. You don't have to paint the whole thing, as I said before. Just a little touch of color. If you don't want to do the base of the pot, it's fine. This is the way you can give a metallic finishing to a pot.